Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to unlock the secrets of machine learning mastery and take our skills to the next level. So our website today is called Machine Learning Mastery, and it's an online platform and educational resources created by Dr. Jason Brownlee, and it is dedicated to helping individuals learn and master machine learning techniques and algorithms through practical tutorial courses and books. And to get started with the website, simply head on over to Machine Learning Mastery and get to the official site, this one here. And once you click to that link, you get directly to the homepage or the interface of the website, where you'll find the key features from the website and the builder, the Dr. Jason Brownlee, and some other information, and the button that where you can subscribe to. They send to you free book or ebook, free ebooks. And this quick start grids here, you need just to click on this one to see all the grids that it contains, and the latest tutorials that you need just to click on blog to see the others. And for the ebook catalog, you need just to click on ebook to see the others catalog. Like example, let's see how to get started over here. So this is steps that you can start with them. The first step, you need just to adjust meter, and the second step is pick a process. The third step is pick a tool, and the fourth step is practice on data test. Okay, let's subscribe from this page here. And we need to consent that to receive information about services and special offer by email. For more information, see the privacy. If you want to read all the privacy policy, you need just to click on this red words and start the email. Thank you for signing up. Please check your email and click to the link provided to confirm you subscribing. Let's check it out. Let's get into this link. ML performance improvement cheat sheet. And here you will find this 32 types, tricks and hacks to make better prediction. You need just to read this one here, and you will be just well learning, and this is to improve the performance with algorithm, and this is for the with tuning, and this one here is to improve the performance with the ensemble. So you need just to read this one here to get very understand that how you can use, and that the machine learning is for what. So this is what the message contain. So let's come back to the website. So the steps here is for the tutorial and the grids. The Machine Learning Mastery offers a wide range of free tutorials and grids on topics such as data preparation, model evaluation, feature selection, and more. These resources provide step-by-step explanation and code examples using popular machine learning libraries and frameworks. And you will find a very important key features in the machine learning mastery books and courses. This one here, the Dr. Jason Brownlee has authored several highly regarded books on machine learning, including Machine Learning Mastery with Python and Deep Learning for Computer Vision. These books are designed to help readers gain a deep understanding of the underlying principles and techniques in machine learning. Additionally, the platform offers premium courses that provide structured learning experiences with hand-on exercises and real-world application. Like you see with me here, you'll find all the ebooks that you may need for all what the support with the machine learning mastery. This is for the beginners. We have this beginner book. To learn about it, you need just to click on this red button. Like example, let's check this one here. So if you want to read this book, you will get the Machine Learning Algorithms for Scratch with Python, Machine Learning Mastery with Python, Data Preparation for Machine Learning, Implicit Classification with Python, XGBoost with Python, Time Series, Forecasting with Python, and more. And you will save until $9,900. And this is its mean 31.33% off, or like getting more than 2 whole books for free. And like all this kind of the websites, we will find the most important thing in the community and the support. We'll find this here or here, and also you find apart from it in the FAQ and the contacts, you will find the community and support, because the Machine Learning Mastery provides a supportive community where learners can interact, ask questions, and receive guidance. Dr. Jason Brownlee actively participates in decisions, offering expert advice and clarification on machine learning topics. So this will be our video today. I hope you get understand. If you like the video, please subscribe and follow for more. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next website.